Chemistry tried my hardest, still unfamiliar with them all. Misunderstandings in acid and base. The exam is coming up. I don't want to fail chem again. It seems to end up in defeat. I wish that I could have a study guide before my test. What's this I see? Soluble salts, acids, and bases. Wondering if goal completion. Writing out equations if they do, so setting up a bar chart. Finding the dominant equilibrium. Product over the reactant. No overall reactions going, so setting up a nice chart. What if I had zeros on both sides? I find that I'm stuck. K to K be the way to go. Rewrite and ice charts. It's important to know K times KB. KW is a solution. Letter P stands for log base 10. And with the negative, pH equals pKa, and then plus the log of aha. Always use this concept for buffer, so I get to pass chemistry. pH equals pKa, and then plus the log of aha. Always use this concept for buffer, so I get to pass chemistry.